everyone and welcome back to another video on Florasway channel. Today we have the Zhiyun Crane M3s gimbal for a video review. The Crane M3s 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer from Zhiyun-Tech is designed for compact cameras, smartphones and Axios cameras. The compact design allows you to freely maneuver your camera for longer periods of time, and it's also easy to pack up with you when traveling. The Zhiyun Crane M3s multifunctional gimbal, an all-in-one solution for video creators, compact yet powerful enough to carry mainstream, full-frame camera and lens combos. The Crane M3s allows you to control your camera via Bluetooth shutter control and unleash your limitless creativity. Its 2-in-1 release system frees you from rebalancing and avoids camera battery blockades. The built-in B-color fill light allows you to adjust brightness and temperature to achieve optimal lighting. The Zhiyun Crane M3s weighing it at just 705 grams. This lightweight powerhouse strikes the perfect balance between portability and high load-bearing capacity with mainstream cameras. The need to have a gimbal that can go with you on the go. One of the more important aspects is the ease of balance of a gimbal. And for a compact gimbal like the Crane M3s, you might wonder how it handles the weight of a mirrorless camera. With the Crane M3s, checking out Zhiyun's camera compatibility list is more important than ever, because it's all about finding a camera and lens combo that works. In this case, you're not just worrying about added gimbal features controls, it's about getting an appropriate weight combination that the gimbal motors can handle. The Crane M3s features included Bluetooth shutter control, an integrated fill light with color filters and adjustable color temperature, a fashionable white exterior, a 1.22 inches full color OLED display, PD quick charge, 8 hours of runtime and an even faster quick release baseplate. Take control of your creativity like never before. With the touchscreen display, the Crane M3s is designed for ease of use, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot every time. The Crane M3s comes with a 1.22 inches touchscreen. It's pretty sharpness and responsive. Tap input response are quick, and I never found myself unintentional making selection from the compact main screen or sub-menus. Similarly, the screen is tactily bright, so you don't have to worry about struggling to read any of the text while actively using the gimbal. The Bluetooth shutter control and 2-in-1 quick release are crafted for every user to capture stunning visual effortlessly, making a new milestone in the filmmaking industry that you won't want to miss. No more tangled wires of complicated setups. Control your camera via Bluetooth shutter control and unleash your limitless creativity. The Zhiyun Crane M3s features an integrated fill light, and its operation follows a similar press and scroll pattern. To turn on the light, press and hold the fill light wheel. After turning it on, a single press will allow you to alternate between the brightness and color temperature settings, with a flick up or down the wheel to raise or lower your selection. When changing the brightness, the Crane M3s increases or decreases in intervals of 10%. The Crane M3s supports the following modes: Vortex mode, Portrait mode, Go mode, and time-lapse mode. It features slow motion, motion lapse, time-lapse, hyperlapse and panorama, as well as a smart mode which allows you to choose from a range of built-in templates. By using the smart mode, you can automatically add certain camera movements, color grading, transition, special effects and music, depending on the template. Overall, this gimbal is teeny, very compact and light. The Crane M3s is great. It is remarkable how small it is, yet it seems to be able to handle fairly large cameras. Balancing is pretty easy. Also, a built-in light makes it very convenient. Build quality is superb, feels very solid. All the locks and levers move very easily. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. And finally, what do you think about the Zhiyun Crane M3s? Let me know in the comment section underneath the video. Thank you, bye!